Geneva, Switzerland, home of famous watch brands and watchmaking. On a trip, you can go shopping for watches, or at Initium, you can make your own.
So welcome in Initium for a watchmaking experience. We offer classes going from a 3-hour initiation where the participant can disassemble and reassemble a mechanical movement. We also have the 4-hour class where the participant can assemble their own Swiss-made watch by choosing all the components. And the full-day class, which is like a package of the 2 others. So in the morning they disassemble and reassemble a mechanical movement. And in the afternoon they assemble their own Swiss-made watch. And it goes like this. So they choose a case, a movement, and they can see what it will look like. Choosing this, and I can choose maybe like this, and they can have a preview of the watch. The watches are warranty for 2 years internationally, so in case there is any problem. We also have the kit. So this is for assemble your own watch at home. So you choose all the components online, and after you receive it, so with the tools, you have the components here. The tools here, also here the components, and you have video tutorial to follow. You can put your phone here and follow every steps of the assembling of the watch.
Our watch movements have a lot of different organs. So the energy comes from the mainspring. When I wind up the mainspring, turning the crown, the click will lock the ratchet, so don't let it release. And my mainspring will transfer the energy to the barrel to the center wheel. It's where we're gonna fit the cannon pinion, and the cannon pinion is where we're gonna fit the main hand, to the third wheel, and then to the fourth wheel. So you're gonna start by discovering your movement. And you're gonna use some tools. You're gonna use, for example, this kind of tool. This is a brass tweezer to pick up every movement, every component, and put it inside the dust cover. You're gonna use some screwdrivers. You have a gray one and a purple one next to you. And you're gonna use a plastic stick. You're gonna touch everything with the plastic stick and not with the fingers. Yes.
Okay.
Because you have grease on the finger, this grease is acid and the acid can oxidate. You're gonna start by removing the balance bridge. The balance bridge is this bridge.
Okay.
Okay. By removing this screw. You can take the purple screwdriver and unscrew it. And with your other hand, hold your movement holder.
With the finger? Okay.
Yes, you can.
I can touch this.
You can hold it like this, or you can touch it like that.
I can hold this frame, but not
Yes.
that part. Okay. Shortcut.
And then you're gonna take one more time the tweezer,
Okay.
and you will come on this side of the bridge, on the bottom and on the top, and lift it up very gently.
Okay.
Be careful because the balance will come with the bridge, and it's a very fragile part of the watch, so do it very gently. Perfect.
That's
Put
correct.
it inside the dust cover. You can flip it, and it's perfect. Very good. It's very important that you stay very straight with the screwdriver. Like that, you can stay very stable and don't scratch it. Okay. You remove the bridge. Like the balance bridge, perfect. And you can remove the lever. The lever is the tiny component in the middle. No, here. Yes. The wheel bridge is the bridge with 3 stones.
This one?
Exactly, and 2 screws.
So here you have 3 workshops.
If this was nuclear work, we'd be dead.
Very good. Perfect.
And then I'm going to take
Remove the bridge, take it off, and you can remove the 3 wheels, taking them by the axle,
by the
by
end.
the tiny axle.
By the axle.
Very good.
Okay, there's one. This one. Two. And then this one. Three. Slide it out. Okay.
Very good. Like this. Good.
There.
Perfect.
This part.
Way on that way.
Am I upside down?
Mm-hmm. Upside down.
Let's see which one.
No, that one go next to the.
This,
Yeah,
so it's
exactly.
got to have a tooth again.
Mhm.
That's the tooth. Okay. So that's moving. It shouldn't need the whole.
Good. Perfect. Nice. Good. Look. Wait.
Yep.
Let me flip it. Perfect.
So this is your certificate. It's official. You are a watchmaker.